You're probably spending over $200 a month on creative and productivity tools. Canva Pro, Notion AI, ChatGPT, Descript, Runway ML. But what if I told you there's one tool that replaces all of them, for free? Say hello to TaskAid. It's not just a to-do list app. It's an AI-powered workspace that can literally do it all. Design, writing, video, mind mapping, real-time collaboration. Just like Canva, Notion, Descript, and ChatGPT combined. Let's break this down. Canva Pro costs $14.99 per month. Notion AI? $10. ChatGPT Plus? $20. Descript Pro? $15. Runway for AI video? $35. Altogether, that's over $200 every month. With TaskAid, you can do it all, for free. First, AI writing. Need a blog post? Marketing copy? Email funnel? Just type your prompt into TaskAid's AI writer. Get structured, clean content, instantly. Choose the tone, length, and format. It's like Notion AI and ChatGPT rolled into one. Now, project management. Build boards, lists, and mind maps in seconds. Plan content calendars or brainstorm business ideas. All in real time, with your team. Next, video scripting. TaskAid's AI can turn bullet points into full video scripts. Just like Descript, but with integrated task tracking. And yes, collaborate with your editor, designer, or VA right there. Design? TaskAid supports rich formatting and embeds. Need to plan a design workflow like Canva? Easy. Add links, preview assets, and assign roles. Everything is synced and centralized. Want to automate content creation? Build AI agents that write, organize, and schedule your tasks. Yes, actual automations with no code. It's like having a virtual team. Powered by AI. So what do you really get with TaskAid? An AI writer. A content planner. A project dashboard. A video script builder. A task manager. All for $0. Let's do the math again. Canva Pro, $15. Notion AI, $10. ChatGPT Plus, $20. Descript, $15. Runway ML, $35. TaskAid, free. That's a savings of $200 per month. Instantly. And here's the best part, TaskAid is built for teams. Share folders. Assign tasks. Comment in real time. No need for Slack, Asana, or Trello. All your communication and content creation, in one app. So how can you use this to make money? Use TaskAid to write blogs and newsletters. Add affiliate links to AI tools or SaaS software. Plan and execute YouTube scripts in a single workspace. Create faceless video channels with automated content. Build a tool comparison blog using TaskAid's AI writer. Organize outreach for brand deals. Track metrics with your team. It's not just a replacement. It's a business launcher. Want an example? Let's say you want to launch a YouTube automation channel. Use TaskAid to research trending keywords. Let the AI write your scripts. Turn those into faceless videos. Use another AI tool to voice it, then drop the video. TaskAid keeps your whole process clean, fast, and free. Or maybe you're a solo creator. Plan content. Brainstorm ideas. Set deadlines. Track income. And collaborate with your editor or VA, inside TaskAid. It's your productivity engine. So here's the big question. Why are you still paying $200 a month? When one free tool gives you all the same power. And more. Because TaskAid isn't just replacing apps. It's replacing overwhelm. Replacing scattered tabs. Replacing SaaS bloat. One login. One workspace. One smart system. For creators. For agencies. For startups. And for solopreneurs. So how do you get started? Step 1, click the link below. Step 2, sign up for free. Step 3, import your old workflows. Step 4, cancel your paid apps. Step 5, scale your output, without scaling cost. TaskAid is already trusted by thousands of creators. Teams from Google, Netflix, and Uber are using it. So why not you? Whether you write, design, edit, or manage, Cascade gives you the tools to do it better, faster, cheaper, and smarter. Still not sure? Try the free plan. No credit card needed. Use it. Test it. Replace one tool at a time. Then watch your monthly bills disappear. Watch your output increase. Watch your process get smoother. Cascade is the new AI stack. And it's free. Replace Notion. Replace Descript. Replace Trello. Replace Canva. Replace Slack. Replace your tech overwhelm. All with one simple tool. Your content empire, organized and optimized. It's not about working more. It's about working smarter. Create. Plan. Write. Scale. Monetize. With AI as your partner. And Cascade as your HQ. The only limit? What you do with it. So what's stopping you? Try Cascade now. Build your entire creative business, without spending a cent. Link below. And don't forget to share this with someone drowning in subscriptions. You just saved them $200 a month. And open the door to smarter productivity. Cascade. One tool. Infinite possibilities. Start for free today. Optional repetition/CTA if more time needed. Click the link. Try it free. Cancel the noise. Build faster. Get organized. Replace your SaaS bills. Use Cascade. Your all-in-one AI tool.